Imagine a world without screws. How would you build a computer? After all, we use screws to secure our motherboard to our case, to secure our SSD to our motherboard, for our CPU cooler, for our power supply, for our GPU, you name it. Luckily, we don't use screws for our CPU, so we can go ahead and slot that in, but we do need to use them for our motherboard. And if we just try to slam a nail into our standoff, well, that's not going to work. So we need to remove those standoffs and instead put a piece of wood on the backside for the nails to go into something like this. And if we do that and try again, it does actually work, although we have to be extremely careful not to smash a capacitor with our hammer because it's not really made for this, there's not a lot of clearance. But would you look at that, our motherboard is now secured in our case thanks to this piece of wood, which means it's time to install our SSD. We'll do that by removing this standoff and then, again, adding a nail, hammering it in, nice and secure, just like that. But now it's time to install the CPU cooler, which poses a challenge because of these built-in screws. So I'm going to ponder how to get around this with nails, and I will